Hello and welcome everyone. I, Aniket Kadam, your host moderator for the day, welcome you all for today's panel discussion, that is 10 reasons to attend Virtual Prop Expo 2020. So we have got 10 plus panelists on today's panel. All the Pune's market leader and industry experts have joined us for telling you what this expo will be all about, what offerings we have for you. So quickly moving ahead, this expo is presented by Cellmax Plus. Can we have a next slide? So let me tell you what Cellmax is. So Cellmax is the tech platform which enables the real estate builders and the projects on this platform. So we at Cellmax Plus are undergoing or making a platform which will be revolutionizing this real estate industry. This will be first of its kind, totally integrated tech platform, which will be covering all the aspects of the real estate business and the real estate home buying journey, which includes your virtual walkthrough, site visit, e-site visit, e-location visit, e-meetings, video conferencing, live chats, and everything you can think of the real estate. So that is what Cellmax is. Kishan, can I have next slide? So with this platform, we will be totally transforming your home buying journey. So this platform, which we have built for the first time, which we will be unveiling today and telling you what this more platform is. So I'd like to give you a quick highlights of this platform. So we have a virtual exhibition hall with the multiple call to action buttons, which will be showing you or directing you towards using this platform. Next we have Next we have all the technological support which will be requiring you to experience this event. So as discussed earlier, so there are the 4 days when we will be having this expo in Pune. That is 7th August, 8th August, 9th August, and the 10th August. So across or parallelly to this webinar, my colleague Kishan will be taking you through this glimpse of our platform, which will be showed you on the screen while we discuss more about this virtual Prop Expo 2020, which is happening on 7th to 10th August. So over to you, Kishan. Can you quickly introduce our dignitaries or the experts which we have on the panel today?
Thank you, Aniket. Hello, everyone. I'm Kishan Soni. I'm with Remax V21. So today we have industry experts from the all top developers from the Pune. So let me guide through the very small introduction. वैसे तो इन सबको introduction की जरूरत नहीं है. They are veteran in the industry. So we have Parag Mehta, Chief Operating Officer from Remax V21. Mr. Deepak Singh, Business Head West Purvankara. Vinit Rajpurohit is a General Manager at Pride Purple Group. Then we have on the panel Mr. Sumit Misra, Channel Head at K. Raheja. Then we have Mr. Avi Agrawal, Senior Sales Manager at Mittal Brothers. Again, we have from Remax, Apurva Rohiwal, Chief Operating East Pune. From Kasturi Housing, we have Mr. Yaswardhan Agrawal, is a Director. Then Mr. Naveen Thakur, Head Marketing from Westport Engineers. We have Mr. Santosh Damdere, Senior General Manager Sales from VTP Realty. And we have from Sahuji Balaji, Head the Channel Sales for Sahuji Balaji. So I welcome you all on behalf of SalesWings and Remax on this panel discussion. So without wasting everyone's time, let me jump to a direct question. Parag sir, can you throw some light on the how comfortable and user-friendly will this platform? From Play Store, then it will be very easy to play. So how will be the end user will get the look and feel of the expo?
Thank you, Kishan. So this unique and interactive platform has been designed keeping customers in the center. And I also see the message in the chat box. People are requesting for Hindi. So, ये जो design किया है, we have kept customer in the center. ये किसी भी device से access हो सकता है, whether you access it from your laptop, from your mobile, from your desktop computer, or from your tablet. So it is very easily accessible from any of the devices, wherein customer can visit any of the projects by our reputed associate developers. वहाँ पे उसका project detail देख सकते हैं, पूरा virtual site visit, up to token तक, booking जो भी करना है, live inventory book करके वहीं से कर सकते हैं. So ये Polynog पूरा एक ऐसा experience बनाया है, ये जो platform बनाया है, where property buying is made as easy as buying something from Amazon or Flipkart, या तो बुक माई शो से टिकट बुक करना है. इतना सिंपल ये प्रॉपर्टी बाइंग एक्सपीरियंस बनाया है इस प्लेटफॉर्म से. सो कस्टमर के लिए ये बहुत इजी होगा एक्सेस करना. एंड इसमें एक बार जाके जो इसका एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे, दे कैन कम टू नो हाउ इट वर्क्स.
Thank you, Parag sir, for putting a light, and I'm pretty sure like this will be a very user-friendly and highly interactive platform. So quickly moving to our second question, I would like to ask this question to Mr. Deepak Singh from Purvankara. So Deepak ji, what do you think? What is the ratio of online sales in this lockdown span? Real estate online बिकता है क्या? इस बात में कितनी सच्चाई है?
Okay, so thanks, Aniket. Before I really talk on this subject, let me just congratulate the entire team, Parag Mehta, Kishan, yourself, who've taken so much of effort to bring forth this fantastic platform where all developers can come and showcase their products. So that's one thumbs up and great job there. Coming to the question, Aniket, I think in today's time, this is the most relevant question. Are customers really buying properties online? Let me throw some numbers to you. In the last 4 months, Purvangra, which is a luxury brand, has sold over 400 crores of apartment, which is the highest in the last 10 years that we have achieved. So that goes a lot to talk about the success of the online platform. So the answer to your question is yes, it is working really well. In fact, let me tell you, we've had 2 successful launches, one at Bangalore and the other one at Pune. While we are talking, we are having the 3rd campaign, which is again for our flagship project in Bangalore. So, of course, the platforms are working really well. The other pertinent question is, how are these customers really buying these apartments if they're not coming for the site visit? Let me tell you, in my experience, and our data says that every 6th customer out of 10 customers have actually not visited to the site, and yet they have gone for the bookings. Now, how has that happened? That has happened thanks to all the technology that has really come up. Whether it is the overall experience of end-to-end experience. In very soon here, you'll also find the registrations happening from the developer's office. So yes, I think the future is online buying, and I would like to welcome everyone and each and all the other customers as well to participate, come and look at the offerings. In the end, from Purvangra, we are going to be showcasing 2 of our most important projects in Pune. One is the new launch at Bhavdhan, Purva Aspire, which sold off 50 minutes on the very first day itself. And the other one where we are going to be pioneering our possession, Purva Silver Sands, which is at Mandwa. So I look forward to having a lot of participation, and the customers can look forward to the best deals. So that I can assure you that whosoever are willing to come and participate in the expo will definitely be happy with the end result. So that's it from my side, Aniket.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Congratulations on the sale part, and I am very much confident about because I know the numbers from all the developers. Like we all did good in in this lockdown. So let's go further. I would like to ask Vinit ji from Pride Purple Group. Hello, Vinit ji.
Hi, Kishan. Hi.
Yeah. So आपको क्या लगता है why going virtual or online is very important or specifically need of the hour for this pandemic?
As you know, in this pandemic, people are not people are basically worried about going outside and meeting people, or going outside and going to a crowded place, whether it is an exhibition or somewhere you can say allotment day. So nowadays, being online is always safe. And earlier, if you see, you also said कि लोग कई जने लिख रहे हैं हिंदी में, तो I will say कि पहले ही रहता था कि online कैसे चलेगा. When people start selling the things online, like if you can say Amazon, Flipkart, आए थे तो लोगों को लगता था कुछ नहीं चलेगा. Everyone is buying things from there only, and they are getting good deals. So this pandemic has given a chance to real estate industry to go. Nowadays you get each and everything project digital. I've seen many agencies are doing digital tool where you can see your flat view from a particular area. Floor. So today going virtual is always beneficial. We have done an allotment day also in the month of May. Basically, our project which is located in Hinjewadi. So but we get good response and people and they get a chance to select their unit even as sitting at their home. And with this exhibition where you guys are giving 24/7 timelines, so a customer can sit at home at his free time and can check all the project details for each and every developer. going virtual is always beneficial, and every industry is nowadays doing that. And it's safe for customers, it saves times for the customer. I've seen a survey last year, which is done by NAR, 53% of clients shortlist their property online before visiting any site. So it was doing there, many people are doing in past, so now it has to be increased by 90% to shortlist the industry. So that is my viewpoint. And coming to our project, we are showcasing here is a 60 acres integrated development, which is located at Hinjewadi Link Road, bang on the road. We are also sold phase 1. We have come up with phase 2, which is having a ticket size of 2 and 3 BHK starting with 55 lakhs. So that's my viewpoint basically on the question you have asked.
Thank you so much, Vinitji. I completely agree, and go virtual is the future, and that's something industry has to adapt for coming times. So quickly moving to our next question. This question is for Mr. Sumit Mishra from K. Raheja Corp. So Sumitji, I would like to ask you, what are the common misconceptions which people have about online property buying?
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Yes,
firstly, I would like to thank Remax for inviting me and the group to be a part of this panel, which comprises of such esteemed clients. Now, talking about the virtual world, as I resonate with Deepak and Mr. Vineet, that in this virtual world, now if we talk about virtual is the new normal, which is, everybody is resonating with it. So, whatever businesses and markets are going low in this current scenario, but in this, the real estate is emerging as part of a major investment for clients and customers. So now coming to your question, one of the most common misconceptions about online buying is about the pricing. People feel that if they visit the project physically, then they would get a better offer. However, it does not make much of a difference. In fact, online offers which we are giving in the expo, those are much better as compared to what you get at the site physically. That is one of the major misconceptions that people have. Another misconception that people have is that if there is an expo of a third party or an associate, then are the builders directly associated with it or not? So that also I would like to clear that. On the contrary, it is as good as dealing with the developer, because the offers that we give and the offers that you will be getting at the expo are almost similar. In fact, at the expo, you'll be getting better offers. So primarily, I would say these are the two major misconceptions that people have for these online expos and online offers. Now coming about our project of K. Raheja in Pune. We have basically two projects in Pune. One is in West Pune, that is in Pirangut, which we call as Raheja Viva. And another is at NIBM, south of Pune, which is Raheja Reserve, which we call now. So these are the two major projects that we have in Pune. And I would urge all the audience right now to purely take part in this expo and get more details about the projects that are involved with this expo.
Thank you, Sumitji. I think that's very clear misconceptions and the major misconceptions people carry in mind when it comes to the online real estate buying. So my next question, which I have on my list, is for Mr. Santosh from VTB Realty. So Santoshji, question goes like this: how will tech platform, virtual platform, change the home buying journey forever? Do you really think home buying will not remain same as it was prior to the pandemic or this COVID-19?
Yes, absolutely, Aniket. I completely agree with you that it would definitely change. One thing we really need to understand, that's very important. जब कोई घर खरीदता है, तो वो ऐसे ही जाके घर नहीं खरीदता है. उसको बहुत होमवर्क करना पड़ता है. तो होमवर्क का मीनिंग होता है कि विजिट 20 प्रॉपर्टीज, वो ब्रोशर्स देखेगा, he will go through everything, every detail. He will see the project probably in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. He will check everything. So customer बहुत डिटेल में स्टडी करता है और स्टडी करने के बाद घर खरीदता है. So पहले क्या हुआ करता था कि ये स्टडी करने में बहुत परेशानी होती थी और ये स्टडी करना इज नॉट अ इजी टास्क। इसीलिए पहले जमाने में एग्जीबिशंस हुआ करते थे एंड वन सिंगल रूम कस्टमर को सभी प्रोजेक्ट्स के, सभी लोकेशंस के, सभी डेवलपर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन एक जगह पे, यानी जो होम बाइंग का जो प्रोसेस था वो इजी हो जाता था। वो इजी इसलिए होता था कि वो एक एग्जीबिशन में जाता था, अंडर वन रूफ इन दैट एग्जीबिशन सब डेवलपर्स, सब प्रोजेक्ट्स, सब लोकेशन, हर तरह का बजट के प्रोजेक्ट्स, अपार्टमेंट्स उसे एक जगह पे मिलते थे एंड दैट्स व्हाई एग्जीबिशन होल्ड्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट इन होम बाइंग प्रोसेस। मगर ड्यूरिंग दिस घर से बाहर निकलना मुश्किल है, थोड़ा रिस्की भी है, नंबर वन। नंबर टू, gathering at one place is also not right during this pandemic. So virtual exhibition is a very good, a fantastic alternative to a home buying process. कि वो वही एग्जीबिशन का एक्सपीरियंस है, जैसे लोग पहले जाके अंडर वन रूफ ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन लिया करते थे, सेम इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल द कस्टमर्स आर गोइंग टू गेट वर्चुअली। इसका सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या है? जब कोई एग्जीबिशन हुआ करता था तो हमें ड्राइव टू दैट एग्जीबिशन, समय निकाल के उस एग्जीबिशन में हम जाते थे, वहां पर फैमिली को लेकर जाके सब डेवलपर्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स चेक करते थे एंड दैट इज हाउ वी यूज्ड टू डू आवर होमवर्क एज अ कस्टमर। नाउ इट इज सिटिंग एट होम, मैं मेरे घर पे बैठ के सिटिंग एट माय होम थ्रू माय लैपटॉप, थ्रू माय सेल फोन, अंडर वन रूफ, from my comfort, I can check the details of each and every project. I can compare all the projects and I can see what will suit me. हिसाब से, मेरे लोकेशन के preference के हिसाब से, from all the angles, which is better for me. So this will really simplify the home process and this would enable customers to buy homes virtually. तो इससे इतना आसान हो जाएगा कि it would be very very advantageous buy a home. So virtual exhibitions will be now in thing for everything. So घर खरीदना है तो इसके लिए वर्चुअल एग्जीबिशन में आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज वर्चुअल एग्जीबिशन में at his comfort he can do all that study, he can do all that market research और वो पूरा वर्क कर सकते हैं। They can showcase the property of their choice and from the comfort of their home they can buy and it's a fantastic opportunity. Thank you.
Well said, Santosh ji. Thank you for your throw the lights on the how virtual expo is benefiting the customer. So next we have on our list is Apurva Rohiwal from Remax. Hello Apurva.
Hi, hi, how are you?
I'm good. So your question is go like this, like how we can advance the process of property buying using technology support. Okay, and what will be the outcome for the property buyer with visiting Virtual Expo 2020?
See, overall, right now जो भी situation है उसके अंदर ऐसा है कि जो भी technology at hand है, we can harness that technology, and the point of requirement of this particular expo is that whatever is the technology at hand, for example, even virtual glasses, use those technology to the maximum. जितना भी अपन उसको मैक्सिमम स्क्वीज कर सकते हैं उस टेक्नोलॉजी को, उसका यूज करके वी शुड बी एबल टू रीच टू द एंड। उसके अलावा सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इसके अंदर ऐसा है कि ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल has been meticulously planned. Say for example, if somebody wants to experience how it is going to look inside the flat, even those small details are going to be a part of this particular expo, which makes it a perfect piece. Overall, if you are not able to get the feel of the flat from the comfort of your home, you won't be able to make the buying decision. So ultimately, if you want to buy a particular flat, you should be able to experience it end to end. So that is the platform which we have developed in this particular expo. Also, the customer will be able to directly reach the developer desk. That is the most and crucial important point. So for example, we've got such eminent panelists today also with us, and during the expo, which is 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, for the 4 days, all the projects will be live. Also, the developers will be actively participating and actively talking to the customer via video calls, via phone calls. From the comfort of their home, they can do the buying decision. And last but not the least, since we are using some very easily available technologies, say for example virtual reality, also the mobile is also a good device to go through all the details, because under just one roof we are getting everything. So overall, the outcome what we should look for out of this particular virtual expo is, one, that you are getting everything under one roof. Second, even the buying decision can be made on the spot.
I think that's perfect buying experience you have explained, Purva. So quickly moving to our next panelist, Mr. Yashwardhan Agarwal from Kasturi Developers. So Yashwardhan ji, I have a question for you. It's what is the biggest challenge? What do you think? Like currently, what is the biggest challenge at the moment the real estate is facing? Like as an industry, we are facing.
Hi, Aniket. Thanks for that question and thanks for having me here. I would say definitely I do agree with all of the people, the esteemed people that spoke before me, and saying that definitely today the biggest challenge is, and that is very important in the home buying journey today. For today's buyer, on the site visit, it's very hard to buy an apartment. How do you your apartment for what it really is? And I think this what SalesMax and with this exhibition is a really important step in ensuring that process and making sure that the customer can get all information about the projects as well as experience the what and which is why I think this is a really exciting opportunity for us as well, and all of my colleagues here as well. We are showcasing our international award-winning project Eon Homes, which is located in Hinjewadi. I'm excited for everyone to have a look at our work, and yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Yashwardhan, for insights on the challenges on the current scenario. We have Mr. Navin Thakur with us. Navin ji, hello.
Hi.
Hi. So मेरा question आपसे ये है कि ये virtual platform is how feasibility कैसा रहेगा इसका with the customer for real estate and the other sectors also.
Thanks, Kishan. Thanks, Remax, for having me here. To answer this question, I have been a very big fan of technology. And if you have seen series like Black Mirror and all, you will understand that what technology can change. And in the last 3 to 5 years itself, we have seen how technology has changed our lives drastically. आज हमारे सबके घर में robots हैं, चाहे वो Alexa हो, चाहे वो Miko हो. हमने आज से 5 साल पहले सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है. We have already seen lifestyle products में इस तरह से चीजें change करी है. आज मोबाइल के अलावा अगर आप चश्मा भी खरीदना है तो आप ऑनलाइन आज देख सकते हो कि ये फ्रेम मेरे चेहरे पे कैसी लगेगी. सेम गोज विद क्लोथिंग्स आल्सो. सो एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, ऑटो इंडस्ट्री में आप देखिए तो आज नई नई गाड़ियां जो हैं वो सारी ऑनलाइन लॉन्च हो रही हैं विद सेम एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ टच एंड फील, ऑलमोस्ट टू गेट दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. एंड वी इन रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री have seen that through AR and VR, gadgets that we are using, 3D walkthroughs, 360-degree photographs and all those things हम technology use कर रहे हैं. एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड तक में टेक्नोलॉजी यूज हो रही है यार, रियल एस्टेट तो फिर भी बहुत डेवलप्ड है हम। वर्चुअल एक्सपो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नो व्हाई, बिकॉज अभी लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हम सब ने वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग यूज किया है, वो जूम हो, वेबएक्स हो या व्हाट्सएप कॉल हो, और उस पे क्लाइंट के साथ मीटिंग्स करी हैं और कई अपार्टमेंट्स भी बिके हैं इसी टेक्नोलॉजी के सपोर्ट की वजह से। एंड इसीलिए ये वर्चुअल एक्सपो जो है बहुत की रोल प्ले करने वाला है, नॉट आज बट इन द फ्यूचर ऑल्सो। ये एक तो कस्टमर का बचा देता है, द बिगेस्ट पेन पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग एंड विजिटिंग सो मेनी साइट्स, सीइंग सो मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स। जब मेरे को घर के कंफर्ट पे एक ही टाइम पे सब चीज देखने को मिल रही है तो व्हाई नॉट, ये बहुत बड़ा इनेबलर होगा। एंड वी विथ आवर अपकमिंग लॉन्चेस, not only us who will be coming up with many innovations, but there will be many other players who will come with a lot of innovations with technology. This platform is very interesting and going with the need of the hour. आज के टाइम के लिए बहुत जरूरी लग रहा था, इसीलिए partner with with SailMax Plus and come here. What we are going to do is we are going to bring Good Life, one of our projects which is in I hope अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी भी काफी लोगों को याद होगा, to this expo. And again, this project is driven by nurturing learning and growth. So technology is part of that growth. So that's how I see that why these virtual activities are going to play an important role in real estate and in this industry, how we can benefit out of it.
Perfect. Couldn't agree more on these lines, Mr. Thakur. Thank you so much. So let me move to my next question now. This question is for Mr. Avi Agrawal from Mittal Brothers. Avi, I would like to understand, like, can we expect the customers coming back, or can we expect same volumes of the sales happening with the use of virtual property tools?
Hi Aniket, good evening everyone. Thanks Remax. So yes, of course, through this virtual property expo, customer is going to come back because the real estate is the only investment, most preferred investment जो कभी भी bring down नहीं हुआ है, and secondly उनको हमेशा उसके ऊपर returns भी अच्छे मिलते हैं. So that from this virtual property expo, they are the most benefit is of client is due to this COVID situation. Everyone will be getting a brief idea about the project from their homes only, so they can see the whole property, the amenities, the unit plans, the flat layout, and they can have a call on it. So 100% I am agree with you. This virtual expo, people are going to come back and for a site visit and for buying the property. Thanks Aniket.
थैंक्स अभी। मेरे हिसाब से तो एक सिंपल प्रोसेस है, क्योंकि अगर आपने वर्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो में इतने सारे ऑप्शंस देखे हैं तो इट विल गिव अ ग्लिम्स टू द कस्टमर कि मुझे कौन से शॉर्टलिस्ट करना है प्रोजेक्ट, एंड देन ही कैन अरेंज फिजिकल विजिट, क्योंकि ये बहुत क्रिटिकल है अभी के मार्केट में फिजिकल विजिट। तो अगर हम यहाँ पे कस्टमर इज गेटिंग वास्ट रेंज, उसमें से उनको शॉर्टलिस्ट करने का एक हेल्प मिल रहा है फ्रॉम द एक्सपर्टीज, देन यू कैन विजिट द प्रोजेक्ट फिजिकली।
करेक्ट।
थैंक यू अभी।
यस, थैंक्स सो मच।
So next we have on the list is Parag sir.
Yes, Kishan.
ऐसा है कि समझो अभी कस्टमर वर्चुअल एक्सपो में आ तो गए, ठीक है, लेकिन एक फिजिकल विजिट का एक जेस्ट रहता है सबके माइंड में कि सैंपल फ्लैट देखना है, फ्लोर प्लान देखना है, then they have to take the full view, like overview of the property. तो वो कैसे होगा यहाँ पे virtual property expo में? Can you throw some light on that?
Sure किशन। So जब भी कहीं property buying का decision लेते हैं हम, whenever we start searching a property, और जब भी we decide कि now I am going to buy a property, sorry, am I audible?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
ओके, सो जब भी हम प्रॉपर्टी बाइंग का डिसीजन लेते हैं कि अब मुझे प्रॉपर्टी बाय करनी है, तो एज अ बायर वी स्टार्ट लुकिंग मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स। एक साथ एक दिन निकल जाते हैं गाड़ी लेके, 10-12 प्रोजेक्ट विजिट किए, उसके सैंपल फ्लैट देखे, वॉइस नॉट क्लियर, उसके बैंक कहाँ पे है आजू बाजू में, स्कूल कहाँ पे है, ग्रोसरी शॉप्स कहाँ पे है, पेट्रोल पंप कहाँ पे है, यही हम फिजिकली विजिट करते हैं. बट कंसिडरिंग करंट सिनेरियो एंड नॉट इवन करंट सिनेरियो, आगे जाके भी रादर देन पूरे सिटी में गाड़ी लेके धूप में बारिश में चक्कर लगाना, उससे अच्छा यू आर गेटिंग ऑल पुणे टॉप प्रोजेक्ट्स इन ऑन अ सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म. सारे पुणे के टॉप प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिल रहे हैं. एंड यू कैन, वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, इज इट?
No,
It's
sir, it's
perfect.
clear.
It's perfect.
ओके, सो सारे पुणे के प्रोजेक्ट्स आप एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक ही जगह देख रहे हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो सी कि प्रोजेक्ट का सैंपल फ्लैट आप विजिट कर सकते हो वर्चुअली. आपको सैंपल फ्लैट पूरा दिख जाएगा, उसमें अमेनिटीज कौन कौन सी अमेनिटी कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है एग्जैक्टली, स्विमिंग पूल कहाँ पे है, क्लब हाउस कहाँ पे है, फिर जिम्नेशियम कहाँ पे है, दैट यू कैन सी डायरेक्टली वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट. सो दैट ये आपको हेल्प करता है कि आपको कौन से टावर में कौन से व्यू वाला फ्लैट लेना है. यू कैन ऑल्सो एक्सप्लोर द व्यूज, मल्टीपल व्यूज, की इस बिल्डिंग से अगर मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे कौन सा व्यू आएगा, बी बिल्डिंग से मुझे कौन सा व्यू आएगा. सो whatever you a customer used to do physically, वही सब आपको यहाँ पे एक साथ मिल रहा है. और the plus point, biggest plus point is, वहाँ पे अगर आप physically जाते हो you can only see one project at a time, but here you are getting all projects. सारे टॉप डेवलपर के प्रोजेक्ट आपको एक ही लोकेशन में एक ही जगह मिल रहे हैं विथ वर्चुअल साइट विजिट, सैंपल फ्लैट आप उसमें देख सकते हो, नियर बाय लोकेशंस क्या क्या है वो एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. ये पूरा आपको एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म में मिल रहा है. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सिर्फ ये देखना नहीं है, यू कैन डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट योर यूनिट, लाइव इन्वेंट्री वहां पे है, कौन सा यूनिट आपको लेना है. सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट योर यूनिट एंड पे बुकिंग और टोकन अमाउंट देयर इटसेल्फ टू ब्लॉक द बेस्ट ऑफर्स. और आपको वहीं से बेस्ट ऑफर में आप यू कैन ब्लॉक योर फ्लैट डायरेक्टली. और icing on the cake, if I say, the 10 on 10 धमाका ऑफर्स जो हमने रखे हैं, like कस्टमर जो इसमें एक्सपो में बुक करते हैं, they are getting n number of gifts like iPhone है, gold coin है, even 2-wheeler, AC, LED TV. All these are 10 on 10 धमाका offers which are over and above the best rates given by all the esteemed developers out here. वो सबके साइड से बेस्ट ऑफर रहेंगे. प्लस ऑन द स्पॉट बुकिंग के लिए दिस विल बी द ऑफर्स फ्रॉम सेलमेक्स साइड. सो कस्टमर के लिए इससे बेटर सिनेरियो और इससे बेटर सिचुएशन नहीं हो सकता टू बाय अ होम सिटिंग एट कंफर्ट ऑफ देयर होम. सो दिस विल बी द बेस्ट कस्टमर्स.
I think that's too good to hear now. Thank you, Parag sir. I think this is something which will be completely changing the dynamics, the way we look at the online property buying. So as everyone can see the few glance or a glimpse of our online expo, my colleague Kishan has been sharing few screens with you over this webinar. So you can have a quick view like what kind of, the experience you will be getting in this expo. So let me quickly move to my next question. So this question is for Mr. Apurva Rohiwal. So Apurva, I would like to ask you something. What are the advantages the Online Property Expo 2020 will have in comparison to all the online sites? Like we have a number of online sites. If you search Google for a property, you get list of sites which lists the property and show you the different details of the property. How does Prop Expo 2020 differentiates from them?
सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस क्या है ना कि फ्रॉम एनी ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस टू वर्चुअल रियलिटी एक्सपीरियंस, कि ये ब्रोशर डाउनलोड करके प्रॉपर्टी देखने वाली बात नहीं है. इट इज अबाउट एन एक्सपीरियंस. इट्स एन इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस वेयर यू सी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम different views. Say for example, when you enter the flat, it is going to be a complete virtual reality tour. The site tour is going to be a complete virtual reality tour. So a download of a brochure is a different experience, but this virtual property expo 2020 is going to be a virtual reality expo. That is the biggest difference advantage. Apart from that, what we have done is to get the best price. See, anybody will buy, कोई भी तभी परचेस डिसीजन ले पाएगा, तब उसको मार्केट में सबसे बेस्ट प्राइस मिल रही है. So we have been working very hard with all the developers to give our customers the best price and the least price in that. Also, we have maintained a huge legacy of working with the top-notch developers and bringing them at the doorstep. We have done that in the past, and we are doing this time around as well. Also, we are planning to do this in multiple cities in the long run. But the biggest advantage is that this particular platform is very beautifully designed and it's very user friendly. It has to be that way, only then the experience is going to be a complete immersive one. Also, with just one click, the universe of Pune property is going to open up for all the attendees. So that is going to be the biggest advantage. Also, we need to keep in mind that if he only enters the attendee or the customer, if he enters only the address, then with the specific budget, all the properties will automatically show up. So these are certain advantages which comes up to anybody whosoever wants to attend the particular platform, and these are the beautiful advantages of Virtual Property Expo 2020. So that's how I see it. Say, for example, if you are getting an expo where you have an entire end-to-end experience, only then it makes sense for somebody to take the buying decision. So if somebody is in the buying zone, he will be getting all the live inventories, he will be getting the entire experience of the site, and he will be trying to make the end decision then and there in the property expo itself. Aniket, over to you.
Definitely, Aniket. Purva, सही कहा आपने. There won't be customer satisfied otherwise वहाँ पे अगर booking और end process नहीं होता. So ultimately we do every activity with end objective. So यहाँ पे अगर end objective customer is able to book, then we are able to serve the best. So अब तक हमने कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट आपको दिखाए थे हमारे टेक प्लेटफॉर्म के, जो वर्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो के जो है, हमने कुछ आपको स्क्रीनशॉट दिखाए थे. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट योगेश शर्मा, ही विल guide you through the 2.5 minute actual screen of our platform. So officially this will be our first launch to the end user. Yogesh, here you go.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, Kishan. Thank you all the panelists. So let me share my screen first. So here we will take the tour of our virtual expo. So I'll show you the landing page where you can register yourself for this virtual expo. The URL is virtualpropexpo2020.com. I have already pasted it into the chat. You can access it from there also. So this is the view of our virtual prop expo. So you can see some features mentioned on the screen over here. The dates of the expo, the participating developers. If you want to see more, you can see the offers over here. There's a complete 360 view, which you can experience into VR also if you have the VR glasses with you. So now this will be the enter expo link, the button, which will be activated on 7th of August. On the 7th of August, you'll be able to actually experience the real virtual tour. These are some offers, some mega gifts, surprises, which we have already disclosed. So now post this, you will enter into this lobby. Here you can zoom in, zoom out, see the difference. You can see like on the screen, we are running some developers' name with their stall numbers, some offers, the features of the expo. Here the same thing is running, the virtual expo features, the virtual expo offers. So once you enter into this lobby, you have to click on this button and you will be entered to the exhibition hall. This is the view of our exhibition hall, the live view of our exhibition hall. These are the different stalls of which different builders will be onboarded on with their project, respective projects. So once you click on, it has been divided into the zone. For example, if you click on zone A, so you'll see the close-up view of zone A. Now here again, it is like zone B. you'll see the different stalls of zone B in a closer view. You can zoom in, you can zoom out also. Once you enter into a stall, you will be entered into a meeting room where you'll be showcasing the different projects and the offerings from that builders. After this, you can take a virtual tour, the virtual tour of the actual site which you experience on to the offline way, this way. So here on this screen, you can see a map layout of the actual project called as VTP Purvanchal, which is actually live right now. As Parag sir explained, you can explore the inventories, you can explore the different buildings, towers having their inventories. For example, if I click on amenities over here, you'll see the amenities popping up in a geolocation enable. So you can see the amphitheater in this project is located at this location. Here is a jogging track. So here is a swimming pool. If you click it on, you'll see the actual picture of the swimming pool. Now in a similar fashion, you can check the nearbys. Now here you'll see ATM, banks, bus stations, hospitals, schools, shopping malls. For example, if I click on hospitals, so you'll see this pin, the red pin is our project location, and these are the hospitals nearby with their directions, map, and distance timing. Everything is available with geotaggings. Same you can check in the form of directions. For example, I have to search airport or anything I want to search, I can manually type it over here and search it out. Again, I'll see the distance with the mapping and all. So now if you want to go back, you have to recenter this. Now, how to explore a project. For example, if I want to enter into Wing E, I'll click on Wing E. Now here's the layout of Wing E. So now you can see there are total number of floor 14s, 2 elevators, 2 staircase, and other details. Here you can see the inventory available, the wing, the flat number, the type, the floor, square foot carpet area, pricing, and other things. You can select any flat from here to see the view, or you can select like even floor, odd floor from here. For example, if I select 201 from here, so I'll enter into 201 flat. Now here I'll see the entire layout and the details of 201. So now here are the product details, which I can see onto the screen. Here are similar products in the range of 201. I can explore them also. Now here is on this screen, here is a layout of this project, which I'm clicking on. Now here is a 360 view of that project. So you can explore the entire project into a 360 view. Now you'll click on here, you'll enter into the flat. This is the living area, dining, this is the kitchen. So you can click, you can enter into the kitchen, you can explore how the kitchen looks like, the actual kitchen of the sample flat. You can move in, you can go to the lobby. From there, you can enter into the bedroom. You can explore the bedroom, how it looks like. Now, if you have to go back, you have to click on this cross button. You'll go back to the same location. Now, again, if you want to explore any other floor, you can check from here, choose floor, or you can close it. You can go back, you can select a different tower and repeat the same process. Now, right now, our expo is not live. That's why you cannot go back to the expo. Once the expo will be live on 7th to 10th of August, you'll see a back button over here. So you'll again go back to the expo lobby, to that particular stall from where you started. Again, like you want to move to a different one, so you can select a different zone. You'll enter into a different zone, seeing different stalls, different projects to be explored on. You can zoom in, zoom out, again, the same process. Thank you, Kishan.
Thank you, Yogesh, for showing detail. Now you can stop your screen. So team, we have just now we have Ashutosh Sahai from Sapuji Paloji. Hello, Ashutosh ji.
Hey, hi Kishan, very good evening. Good evening to everyone. Namaste.
Good evening. So quickly, I want to ask you a question. जो आपने डेमो देखा अभी, okay, process from like registration to booking. what will you think this technology क्या effect क्या होगा on the real estate and sales and overall industry?
First of all, I want to thank Kishan you to invite me, and thank for the entire V21 team. This new era where the Remax V21 team has been already done 35 plus property shows in last 2 years. I'm knowing the entire leadership team who is driving this force very actively, and within this 2 year closing around 300 plus clients is not an easy task at all. You guys have helped more than 300 buyers to buying their dream home. I understand virtual technology is the new way, a new future of the real estate. It already helping in saving a lot of time of a buyer, of a developer, and a mediator. Virtualization is a single most effective way not only to reduce the time but reduce the expenses while boosting the efficiency and agility of this business. More than that, I can say in 10 to 15 years, artificial intelligence also will add. Like we know during the car, maybe reselling car, if you put your details like manufacturing, year, model, insurance detail, the machinery, the artificial intelligence will give you the proper pricing of your car or maybe automobile or maybe two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Similarly, over the period of time, this digitalization and virtual technology will help to buy, to resell this particular unit in next 10 to 15 years. It will be give you an idea how the pricing would be made. So I would request to all our buyers, all our home seekers, to pay attention on this technology, keep tracking this and utilize this opportunity to explore. Such kind of an opportunity has been never seen in past, and I'm sure this is a revolutionary change in 2020, and this will something good. There is a lot of bad things to talk about this year, but this is something good which the future will be designed.
I think that's very on the mark, Ashutosh ji, and very perfectly described and very confidently confident on our skills and the platform which we are bringing to the market. And once again, to all the experts and the panelists which we have today on the panel, I'm pretty sure like you've been in the industry for decades now, and I'm pretty sure like in my experience, I have never seen something like this, never developed something like this, and never, you know, brought to the experience of the customer something like this, which will be definitely something which has not happened in ever in an industry of history of an this real estate industry. So I would now we have covered every point of our agenda now. I would like to, you know, openly thank from the team of Cellmax to all the delegates, all the industry leaders, all the experts who had joined us for this panel discussion. Thank you for giving your valuable time. It has been a wonderful discussion with you all, and I'm pretty sure your confidence on our shoulders. We will definitely prove ourselves on coming 7th, 8th, and 9th and 10th of August. You will be seeing something great to the great technology platform which we will be floating to the market. So once again, thank you so much everyone for joining, all the attendees. We feel that anyone would like to add anything before I end?
Yes, Aniket, I would just like to add, we have already started taking registrations and we have already crossed 6,000 plus OTP verified registrations. So 6,000 से ज़्यादा customer ने already register कर लिया है ये expo के लिए. So I would request the people who are on the call and who are seeing this video live on Facebook, YouTube. So I would request all to register as soon as possible, because this is kind of never before, never again kind of expo with best offers. As I mentioned, 10 on 10 Dhamaka offers from Cellmax side and the best offers from all the esteemed developer side. So this is a best scenario and win-win situation for all the customers. So सबको मैं request करूँगा register now for the expo Link is given in the chat box by Yogesh. And on behalf of, again, on behalf of Team Cellmax and Team Remax V21, I would like to thank all our esteemed developers, starting with Ashutosh ji, Deepak ji, Naveen ji, Avi, Vinit ji, Sumit ji, and Santosh ji. I hope I didn't miss anyone. So thank you all for your taking out your valuable time. It means a lot, and looking forward to see you all in the expo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Parag sir.
Thank you.
So one last line I would like to add here, the amazing response, something which I had never seen on my own platforms. So today in last 24 hours, like yesterday, my team posted an organic event on the LinkedIn, which was not paid marketing actually. And within 24 hours, we got 1250 plus organic registrations from LinkedIn itself. So that's a tremendous amount of an love which we are getting for this platform. And once we are full-fledged from tomorrow onwards in the marketing, we will be seeing many of home buyers coming in here. So let's witness this biggest expo, which is happening on 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th of August on Virtual Property Expo 2020. See you all there. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.